Let her rip back there over the double. One-handed driving out the window. Here comes out to the front chute. Gonna test the water a little bit. Slide up. Wall grind. There he goes, wheel stand, hop and a skip, going over the big jump now. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. It's the 7-hit Freedom Ride. Look at this guy. He's like a professional bull rider. Is that Ty Murray behind the wheel? He's doing this thing one-handed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, Freedom. You got this. Oh no. Hit him. There he goes. Down the chute. Little sideways action down there on the entry to the off-road section of the course. Gonna set it nice, pretty like. Around the tire he goes. Now he's gonna go into the jumps. Let's see how he does there. There's one. There's two, but now he's got the big one. Here we go. Oh, white flag in the air for the buggy. Oh, he found the tire there. I don't know if we forgot to tell him there's a tire there or not. Into the off-road section of the course, they're going to go around. stock one's doing the best?
The Ford.
Yes, the Ford. Green flag in the air for the Expedition.
Looks like an Eddie Bauer edition.
Ooh, it's got leather. Bambi, did you find that funny? Was that hilarious?
It'll clean up better, right?
Exactly, the mud just wipes right off. Let him get it, here we go.
Wow.
Come on, look at this, here he goes, little square, like a side swipe. Uh-oh, and he's gonna call it a day there. All right, here we go. Green flag for the Duranga. The 1056 machine. You know, I'm gonna Google that, figure out what 1056 means, Dom.
I know we're missing something.
Well, yeah.
There's got to be something in that meaning.
Yep. Oh, gonna lock the brakes up there. Get a little sideways, squirrely action going on. There he goes down the back stretch. Gonna send it out there around the tire. Put hard push. You have to come back, correct it for the back jumps. Airborne he goes. Well, that's about a 50-second penalty for the barriers. White flag in the air.
You didn't need those anyway.
No, he didn't. That's one heck of a nice Hemi-powered ride right there. There he goes, getting a little squirrely there, gonna kiss the wall, but keep it off, checkered flag. And thank you to our friends in the stands. If you're been wondering, we get a breathalyzer on that individual. There we go, we got a Chevy-powered Tahoe on the lap. Quiet pedal. That Tahoe's actually doing pretty good. Look at that. I mean, for a Chevy, it's holding up pretty good, Dom.
Oh, come on.
Oh my gosh, he kept it going. No hood, one tire. Let's see what this brings. Don't miss your corner, buddy. Up. Hey, Dom, I wonder if he called OnStar for directions. He's thinking about it.
I think he's trying to close his hood.
Yeah? I don't know. Wait, no, he's going for the course. Siri, help him out, please. But I'll tell you what, I know what song's playing on his radio right now, Dom.
Let's hear it.
Carrie Underwood, Jesus Take the Wheel. Oh!
You'd think all those bumps would shut the hood.
You'd think, but you know what? Give it up for the Tahoe, ladies and gentlemen.
What a trooper, 2 flats, hood up.
Here we go, another Chevy-powered Blazer on the front stretch. Green flag. drive shaft. Oh, no. Hey, Dom.
Yes.
That drive shaft was built like a rock.
Oh.